So we have left the birdhouse outside all night so it can dry and prep. We sanded it down. We're going to drill a hole. A hole bit, I'm going to use about a 2-inch hole bit attached to the drill. And my hole is going to come for this birdhouse, this purpose. I'm going to go 4 inches from the base to here, 4 inches. At the very base of the 4 inches, I'm going to put that in at the 4 inches. I've already measured center, and I'll slowly drill the hole. Get a pilot hole started. PPE. Get a little high torque. I'm ready to drill. Now, I drill my pilot hole. I'm trying to use probably like a 3-inch screw. I'll use a 3-inch screw, probably from the base up to 2 inches. At that 2-inch mark center, I'll use that 2-inch screw. Just so when the bird flies in, he'll be able to land properly before entering his nest or his new home. You don't have to put the screw all the way in, just long enough to hold and maintain the bird's weight, which won't do much at all. Straight, slowly, steady. It gets a good grip, that's it. And that is it. Now your birdhouse is ready to be painted. Once again, Birdhouse 101. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Thank you.